They glossed over issues of how Kampala is structured. Apart from the central business district, Kampala, Bombo Road, and so on, that is where you would think that drug shops cannot operate. That is where you would think that the well-to-do people, white-collar people, are concentrated. But the majority of the people in Kampala live in the rural Kampala. Kampala generally has a central business district, which you would call the city. But the outskirts of Kampala are indeed villages. They are indeed rural, with very poor people who cannot even afford to travel to Kampala in a pharmacy and buy any kind of medicine, even Panadol.
The salary of a pharmacist just covering a facility like a pharmacy is over 2 million shillings per month. And when you look at that cost of operation, minus other costs, including the taxes collected by the government agencies, plus me as the operator or the proprietor of the business, I will have to remain with some profits. Therefore, if you collect all those costs together and you put them on the product that you are producing, you will have to sell. For example, a drug like Panadol, paracetamol, I will have to put it at a high cost such that all those costs of operation are catered for.
If they phase out these drug shops, societies like Kasokoso, Kamocha, far deep there, you'll find that these communities, you cannot put a pharmacy there. Reason, if you put a pharmacy there, it will become too expensive for you to operate a pharmacy in Kasokoso. Which means, if I put a pharmacy in Kasokoso, it will make me to be very expensive.
So the purpose of this review of these licensing guidelines to see to it that also those areas that are underserved access medicines from qualified health professionals. And when you look at, for instance, when you look at a pharmacy handles a range of classes of drugs as compared to a drug shop. A drug shop handles a limited category of class of drugs, for instance, class C.